I'll be honest with you, family. I've led a project before in the past where there's been two, because it was a program, and a project manager and I had to work together to lead separate initiatives, but we had to communicate to each other very, a lot to ensure that the success of the overall program was successful. And every time that I've worked with a particular project manager when we led these program type initiatives, it was more of a collaborative atmosphere. That person and I would literally, have one-on-ones together and say, "Hey, what are you learning from your stakeholders? What are you learning about yourself as far as how you're leading this project?" So it's more about a contribution, and it's more about problem solving and decision making, and also it's a venting session as well. I mean, it's a venting session to get that out of your system, and then, okay, after that's done, now we focus on how do we solve whatever the particular issues are that has arisen.